Listening 210. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Have a barbecue.
2,
Go hiking.
3,
Go to the beach.
4,
See a show.
5,
Go sightseeing.
6,
Visit a castle.
7,
Take a boat trip.
8,
Go snorkeling.
Listening 211. Listen and say.
This is when you cook food outside. You can cook meat or vegetables. This is when you put on a special mask and you can see underwater. You can see all the fish and rocks and plants. This is when you go to look at the famous places in a city or an area. You can take photos of famous places, like museums and statues. This is when you go to the coast and spend time next to the sea. You can swim, or you can make a sandcastle. This is when you go to the theatre. You watch people act, dance, sing, or play music. This is when you travel on a river or a lake or the sea. You can go to see dolphins or cliffs. This is when you go to see a big old house. There are big stone walls. This is when you go for a long walk, usually in the countryside. You can follow a path or use a map. You can walk in forests and in fields.
Listening 212. Listen and repeat.
What shall we do today?
It's sunny. Why don't we take a boat trip?
I'd rather have a barbecue.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Listening 213. Listen and follow.
What are you going to do on holiday, Emma?
I'm going to see a show.
I'm going to go snorkeling.
I'm not going to do homework.
What are you going to do, Omar?
Me? I'm going to read all of these books.
Listening 214. Look, listen and learn.
What are you going to do on holiday?
I'm going to go snorkeling. I'm not going to see a show.
Listening 215. listen and tick or cross.
What are you going to do on holiday, Jack? Are you going to have a barbecue? Or maybe go sightseeing?
No. I'm not going to have a barbecue. And I'm not going to go sightseeing. I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to take a boat trip. And I'm going to go snorkeling and look at all the fish.
That sounds fun. What are you going to do on holiday, Anna?
I'm going to go to the beach too. And I'm going to take a boat trip. But I'm not going to go snorkeling. I'm going to have a barbecue.
Great! What are you going to do on holiday, George? Are you going to go to the beach too?
No, I'm not going to go to the beach. So I'm not going to go snorkeling. I'm going to go to London. I'm going to go sightseeing. But I'm going to take a boat trip too. And I'm going to visit a castle.
Exciting!
Listening 216. Look, listen and learn.
What's he going to do on holiday?
He isn't going to swim in the sea. He's going to go hiking.
What are they going to do on holiday?
They aren't going to go to the beach. They're going to go sightseeing.
Listening 217. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
Sun cream,
2,
towel,
3,
backpack,
4,
raincoat,
5,
swimsuit,
6.
camera.
Listening 218. Listen and say.
You need this to take photos. You wear this when you go swimming. You need this on a sunny day. You need this on a rainy day. You need this after you go swimming or snorkeling. You need this to put all your things in.
Listening 219. Listen and tick.
OK, Charlie. Are you ready to go? Have you got everything?
I think so.
Well, let's check. Have you got your backpack?
Yes, I have. It's got all my things in it.
Have you got your raincoat?
No, I haven't. It's going to be sunny.
OK. Have you got your camera?
Yes, I have. I want to take pictures to send to Grandpa and Grandma.
That's nice. And have you got your swimsuit? You're going to go to the beach.
Yes, I've got my swimsuit.
And your towel?
Yes, I've got a big blue towel.
So, have you got your sun cream?
Oh, no, I haven't.
Well, quick, go and get it. You must be careful in the sun.
OK. Thanks, Mum.
Listening 220. Look, listen and learn.
Are you going to take a towel?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Is she going to take sun cream?
Yes, she is.
No, she isn't.
Are they going to take raincoats?
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't.
Listening 221. Listen and follow. Then sing. Let's pack.
Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to run and play. Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to have fun today.
Are you going to take sun cream?
Yes, I am. It's a sunny day.
Are you going to take a towel?
Yes, I am. I'm going to swim and play.
Are you going to take a raincoat?
No, I'm not. It isn't rainy today. Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to run and play. Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to have fun today.
Are you going to take a camera?
Yes, I am. It's a sunny day.
Are you going to take a swimsuit?
Yes, I am. I'm going to swim and play.
Are you going to take a raincoat?
No, I'm not. It isn't rainy today. Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to run and play. Let's pack. Let's get ready. We're going to have fun today.
Listening 222. Karaoke time. Sing. Let's pack. Listening 223. Listen and read. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Terry the Town Mouse lived in the city. One day, a letter arrived.
It's an invitation from your cousin Chris.
Terry's cousin lived in the countryside.
Come in.
A tree? Where am I going to sleep?
The next morning,
It's sunny. Let's go swimming.
Oh, I'm not going to swim. I'd rather play video games.
the next day,
Come on. We're going to take a boat trip.
Oh, I'm not going to take a boat trip. I'd rather play on my phone.
We're going to have a barbecue. Are you hungry?
A barbecue? I usually eat pizza, but...
But Terry was hungry.
How is it?
It's... tasty. Thanks.
And on the next day,
We're going to see the waterfall. Do you want to come?
Oh, hiking? Yes. I'm going to try something new.
the waterfall was amazing.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am. What are we going to do tomorrow?
Listening 224. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Caravan.
2,
Cottage.
3,
Campsite.
4,
Canal boat.
Listening 225. Listen and say the number.
Hi, I'm Maisie and I'm from the UK. I want to talk to you about holidays. There are lots of places to visit in the UK and lots of places to stay. Do you want a quiet holiday in a beautiful village? You can stay in a cottage. A cottage is a small old house in the countryside. A canal boat is a fun place to stay. A canal boat is a long, narrow boat. It's like a house inside. It's got a kitchen, a bathroom, and small bedrooms. By the coast, there are lots of caravans. Lots of people like to stay in a caravan by the coast and go to the beach every day. I love camping. You can stay on a campsite. Campsites are popular with families.
Listening 226. Listen and number.
Let's find out what my friends are going to do on holiday.
1,
Hi, Tanya. What are you going to do on holiday?
Ooh, I'm very excited. I'm going to go to London. We're going to stay in a hotel and we're going to see a show.
2,
Hi, Liam. What are you going to do on holiday?
I'm going to go to the coast with my family. We're going to stay in a caravan. I'm going to go on a boat trip to see dolphins.
3,
Hi, Lucy. What are you going to do on holiday? Oh, we always visit my grandparents. I'm going to stay with them at their house. We're going to have barbecues and visit a castle. I love visiting my grandparents.
4,
Hi, Fred. What are you going to do on holiday?
I'm going to climb trees and I'm going to go fishing. We're going to stay in a cottage in the countryside.
5,
Hi, Tina. What are you going to do on holiday?
I'm going to ride my bike every day. We're going to stay on a campsite. I'm going to go hiking and see a waterfall.
6,
What are you going to do on holiday, Max?
Oh, I'm excited. I'm going to stay on a canal boat. And Dad says I can drive it. I can't wait.
Listening 227. Listen and follow.
I'm looking forward to the holidays. Me too. I'm going to stay with my grandparents. I'm going to stay in a caravan. I can't wait.
Listening 228. Listen and read.
Dear friend, I'm Andrei. I'm from Ukraine. I'm looking forward to the school holidays. I'm going to stay at a dacha. A dacha is a small cottage in the countryside. The dacha is a place where all the family can relax. It's a quiet place. It's not noisy, like our home in the city. We sometimes go hiking, and I'm going to go swimming in the lake. I'm not going to watch TV or play video games. I'm going to read books and paint pictures. Mum loves it because it's got a garden. This summer, she's going to grow lots of flowers and vegetables. My sister, Paulina, is going to help her. Dad loves it because he can go fishing. We're going to have barbecues and cook the fish in the garden. I love holidays in the countryside. What about you? What are your plans? Write soon, Andrei.